Hello and welcome to 3569 Dutch Village Road. Today we're going to be viewing the one-bedroom unit that has accessibility abilities. As you can see right off the main entrance where I'm standing, you have this massive living area. Perfect for gatherings with friends and families. Enough space for a dining table set, as well as a couch and entertainment area. On the left-hand side, you can see that we have air conditioning standard in all of our units. You have elegant lighting throughout, and right off the living space, you have a great front patio. This balcony is enough space for whatever you would need. Great for a little flower bed, as well as potentially a patio set, of course. Right off this living space, you also have your one bedroom. As you can see, window coverings come included. The unit has radiant baseboard heat throughout. And in this master bedroom, you also have this wonderful large closet with ample organization, long and short hang, so perfect for anything you may need. Making our way back into the living room. We're just going to turn the corner. As you can see, we have a front closet, perfect for your boots and coats. You also have a great sized washroom with grab bars throughout and a tub surround. The toilet is of course at an easy height and elongated for your comfort. And right next to that you have a side-by-side washer and dryer, as well as another linens cabinet. And then you have the kitchen, which as you can see contains fridge, stove, dishwasher, and microwave, all stainless steel. You also have a slightly lowered sink for someone that may have accessibility needs, but of course perfect for someone that does not as well. And you have this brand new stove with front buttons for ease of use. This unit can be found at our 3569 Dutch Village Road location. Please reach out to Panoramic Properties at 1-855-371-1201 to book your appointment to see our Halifax units. Thank you and have a great day.